everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Karen. Today I want to share with you the design with a 2 wraps bracelet. This is the first time I film a video with 2 wraps. Most of the bracelets I sell are single wrap. In fact, I sold a lot of 2-3 wraps designs back in 2013 when I was doing local online business. This bracelet is made with 6mm amethyst, 925 sterling silver pendant, and the spacer beads. The style of the pendant is a gold, which has an interesting meaning. The Chinese word for gold pronounces hu lu, has the same pronunciation as the word to protect or guard, and also the word to blessing. In some dialects, the character hu has a similar pronunciation to fu. I think you guys are very familiar, which means happiness or blessing. The gourds were considered to have a magical power to protect Chinese children from smallpox, hanging them over door frames, or carrying them to ward off evil. So, like always, I will make it a 6.5 inches resize as a sample bracelet. And since amethyst is purple, I will be using purple elastic cords. And I specially selected a Chinese style background music for this video. I hope you like it.